Well, well, well. Who chewed the headset? Who chewed the headset? Riley? Who did that? Was it you, Riley? Did you chew the headset? Did you do this? Did you do this? Really? Can I see your face? Yeah. Beni, ce e asta? Beni.
Who did this? Bubba, was this you? Georgia, was this you? Jackal, was it? Yeah, that's what I fucking thought!
A well-trained dog will make no attempt to share your lunch. He will just make you feel so guilty that you cannot enjoy it.
Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for coming to the meeting. This meeting is going to be about all the barking that has been going on today, even though there has been nothing to bark at. So,
all right, the reason I gathered everybody in the kitchen today is because we had a little incident happen in the house. I'm pretty sure I know who it was. But we're just going to test out and make sure. Who did this? Cool.
what is this? What is this? Was this you? Did you poop in the house? Nova.
Halo. Która pogryzła mi pilota?
Honey, have you been a good girl or a bad girl? Have you been a good girl or have you been a bad girl? Which one? Honey, you gotta answer. You've been bad. Oh, you've been bad? Oh, honey.
What have you done?
Bear.
Did you do that? Did you do that? Are you guilty? 'Cause you're looking real guilty. Who did this?
Who did this? Bliss. Who did this? Who did this? Bliss. 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 Bliss.
Sammy. Look at me. Sammy. Sammy, what's this? What'd you do?
Jeez.
What is this? What is this? Were you eating this? What is this? I found this right here. What is this?
I got in trouble because my family tried to take me on a nice walk, but I went into the forest to chase a coyote. They finally found me and the coyote circling each other ready to fight. I am literally afraid of a housefly and other dogs, so I don't know why I chased a coyote.
Why do you look so guilty, Harley?
Could it be half the cake you just ate?
Really? No, no, no. What is this? Harley? Why you gotta eat half a cake? Don't go on the counter. No.
Come here. Get over here. Get over here. Come here. Come on.
Ben, do you have the sock? Your eyebrows going? Can I have it?
Did you do this? No, you didn't do this. Did you do this? Maybe. Did you? Oh, you did this. Okay. Did you do this? Oh, did you do this? Did you guys tear this up?
Samson, what do you have? What is that? Ooh. Samson, drop it. Put it down. Samson. Bad boy. Put it down. Put it down. Put it down.
Love you, but this can't happen. This cannot happen. Look, Archie, look at me. Can we talk about it? Look at me. No. You can't get in this. Archie! No, don't sit. Just don't sit. Please don't sit down. We can undo this. We can still undo this. We can still undo it, buddy. Please don't do it. No! What? Are you proud of yourself? Oh my goodness. Archie.